Once that's done, we have this piece here that says China on one end and gives you a bunch of numbers on this end. And I don't think it really matters which way you put it on, but I'm just going to go with like this so you can read China when it's standing. Come on. There you go. Now, I'm not going to push it all the way in. They don't recommend that. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this, which is the nozzle. And I got the 1.75 nozzle. If you have a larger 3D printer, you can get a larger version, or you can get one that's not cut and you can cut it yourself, but I don't have the machinery for that, so good luck. It's nice that they give you 2 of these little screens, possibly because they're pretty hard to install, so either by making a mistake or by using them, you could break them, and so it's nice that they give you more than one. I guess you just push this down as best you can, and this is supposed to go in there somehow and keep it in place, and we will try that definitely, although it's looking pretty hard. Alright, see you in the next video.